Sophie here. I am so excited. My Sophie's Picks Summer Beauty Box has arrived. We're gonna unpack it right now. Ta-da! I can literally barely get the lid down on this one. It is packed full of some of my absolutely favorite products for inner and outer summer beauty. Let's get started with a little bit of a walk through. Okay, my friends, we are going to start with your face. Now, could not be more excited about this little kit of face masks by When Beauty. Mini cream mask set. Now what is so fantastic about this mask set, I'm actually going to open it to show you here, is you get 3 different masks. And the 3 different masks basically cover all your masking needs for the summer. So we start off, I want to get this absolutely right, with Rose Coconut Gentle Exfoliating Mask. It smells unbelievable. Next up, the blue one is the Cream Mud Pure Cleansing. So this is a minimizing, sorry, I can't speak. It's a minimizing mask to minimize, the pores, to draw out all those impurities. It smells beautiful. It's gentle enough for all skin types. And last but not least is my absolute favorite by When, which is the Berry Dual Gel Cream Mask here in the purple. It is a sleep mask. So this is a mask that you'll put on before you go to bed, wake up for transformed skin. I love this mini mask kit and I know you will too. Okay, so next up, after we've done our masking, the next thing that we're going to do is serum. That's always what I'll go to after I've done either cleansing or masking. So I have in the box a beautiful organic, completely natural, and I mean really natural, serum by Laos. Now, what makes this really unique is that they have cold pressed seeds in this. And a skincare product, a completely natural one, a raw one, is as good as these ingredients are fresh. And we are talking cold pressed raw seeds of sea buckthorn oil. And sea buckthorn seed is actually an oil that is extremely high in all the omegas that you need for your skin. Also pomegranate seeds, and finally green tea seed, full of antioxidants. It's a light, easily absorbable, fast absorbing, I should say, serum that you're going to love. All right, next up, so we've masked, we've serumed, and now I told you I would have you covered. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about showing you this product. This is Essentiel by Adele. Now, I have very recently met Adele. She is a parts model, was, I should say, a parts model, which meant that for most of her career, she modeled hands, feet, different sort of parts of her body. So she had the camera up close and personal on different parts of her body, and she knew how important it was to have beautiful moisturized skin on all these different body parts, including her face. So she decided, she actually tinkered around in her kitchen for a long time, creating all these formulations. All her friends loved them, and then she decided to get serious and create this product. So Essentiel is her baby, and it has got rave reviews by multiple big sort of magazines and multiple people that review skincare. It's like literally sort of coined the #1 product that you need to have. It is very unusual because it's multifunctional. So it is for your face, for your body, and for your hands. You can use it for all 3. It has a dreamy scent of geranium, which is my favorite essential oil. Everybody swoons when they smell it. It is full of hyaluronic acid, very high quality, MSM, and coffee bean extract, aloe, calendula. I mean, the ingredients are just off the charts. So you're going to love this. This is the travel size, which is perfect. I wanted you to have that for this summer. Pop it in your purse. This is all you need. This will last you 2 weeks because a little goes a long way. Okay, so last but not least, for your face, we have a product that I love it so much that I reviewed it in a recent Friday Favorites video. I will link to that underneath this video. It is called Impeccable Skin by Suntegrity, and it is many things. It wears many hats, but notably it will protect your skin, SPF 30, broad spectrum, but it has it covers beautifully, and that's what really wowed me about this product. So it has all the anti-aging ingredients in it, but it gives you as much cover as you would actually need instead of a foundation. I use it in place of a foundation. So this is a small sample size, but it is perfect for summer travel because you don't want to take a big tube with you. You want to be able to pop it in your suitcase, and again, this little size will give you a lot of uses. So, okay, now before we go into body, I have something so special for you because you know me, it's really truly about beauty from the inside out. We can put all these beautiful products on our body, but we have to have that health from the inside. So enter stage left, Kayo Greens. This is one of my very, very favorite green powder supplements. And you're always asking me, Sophie, what is your favorite? I probably get about 50 emails a week saying, what's your favorite powder supplement to put in my smoothie? Well, here it is. So why I love it so much is that, and I'm actually going to open it because I need to show you, is that you get little individual sachets in here of the supplement, yay big. Pop it in your purse, pop it in your suitcase, and you are good to go. This is coming to England with me. I just pop in, going for 10 days, pop in 10 of these. And if you haven't got time to make your morning green smoothie, or you can't when you're on the road, you're traveling, you're at a hotel, this does it for you. You just pop the contents of this sachet into a little glass of fruit juice or water or coconut. It's delicious in coconut water. Stir it up. It's easily dissolved. It won't clump. Down in one, and it gives you this extraordinary energy boost. Now, the greens that we're talking about are barley greens, wheatgrass, and chlorella. And the first two, barley greens and wheat greens, will aid in good gut health. They make your tummy feel amazing. And then you have the chlorella, which is detoxifying, purifying, and gives you this little boost of energy. I love this product. I'm so happy it's in the box. Okay, one more very unique product, Seaside Medical Technologies, and it is their antioxidant concentrate. Now, this brand is back by popular demand. We had this brand, Seaside Medical Technologies, in my last box. Everyone went bananas over it. So everybody said, can we have it back again? So I said, okay, we will try. And this is just awesome. This is a full size of this extraordinary antioxidant concentrate. Now, what is unique about it is that it has a very special complex in it, which is called Matrix B, and this actually repairs damaged skin. So ladies, if you have had any procedures, a little bit of laser, any kind of cosmetics procedure, you need to own this. You need to have it in your bathroom cabinet because it will very rapidly repair damaged skin. Also, if you have a little bit of sunburn, sand damage, anything where you think I need to soothe and repair my skin quickly, this product is what you need. All right, now let's move on to body. Your body beautiful for this summer. So the first thing that I do is you've got to have a scrub, but you want a scrub that's not going to damage your skin. And this, oh my gosh, Bogavia, as many of you know, I swoon over Bogavia every single time I pick up one of their products. Everybody that I know is in love with Bogavia, and this product, no exception. It is the Nourishing Sugar Scrub. It is their signature Valencia vanilla scent. You will scrub your body with this and you will feel that you are in a very high-end spa. But before you apply the next product that I'm going to show you, you definitely need your sugar scrub by Bagavia. All right, so the next product is a fake tan. And I highly recommend a fake tan because we do not obviously want to be baking our limbs out in the sun. We don't want that sun damage. So this is an absolutely beautiful product, true, natural, safe tan. You know what? Actually, I recommended this a version of this formulation in my very first book, Gorgeously Green, over 10 years ago. That is how stellar this brand is and how long it's been around. It's so respected and loved throughout America and Europe as well. So they meet all the very strict European standards for safety. It is the tropical tan. It's with aloe, aloe vera, and pomegranate. It has a beautiful scent. It will not streak, and you'll get this beautiful tropical tan in 4 hours. So love that. Now, talking about applying a tan, a fake tan, what I recommend that you do before you apply that is rub a little bit of body butter into your elbows, your knees, the back of your heels, and between your fingers, because those are the areas that you don't want the fake tan to sort of cling onto. And so this is a really wonderful product, a travel size body butter by Andalou Naturals, another brand that I have loved so dearly for years. Beautiful ingredients. This travel size could not be more perfect for you, just to take as a general body butter on your travels this summer, but also very specifically to avoid on those very dry areas that tans are gathering. And then now, a summer box wouldn't be complete without a sunscreen. This is by Goddess Garden. It is their sport sunscreen. It is SPF 50 and it has the safest rating by EWG, that's the Environmental Working Group's Skin Deep database. This one has 1, which is the lowest hazard score that you can get. It is safe for kids, it is safe to use on your face and your body. It is unscented and it is especially perfect for sensitive skin. Again, a really useful travel size for you for the summer. And last but not least, we have 2 fantastic lip balms. One is completely vegan. It is by Benecos and it is orange flavor. Yum, it just tastes so good on your lips. And if you're anything like me, you sort of tend to lick your lips when you have a beautiful tasting, hydrating lip balm on them. And finally, Wetherspoon, and this is their Manuka honey, so it's not strictly vegan, but it is amazing. From New Zealand, Manuka honey and lavender. It is to die for. So that, my friends, is a pretty awesome, I think you will agree, summer Sophie's Picks beauty box. Please click below this video to get on the first to know list, because you want to be on that list as soon as this box launches, because as you know from past boxes, when the box launches, it sells out within a few hours. I'm sorry, but it does. We have a very limited amount of these boxes. They're that special. So go click that link right now, don't delay, and good luck. I hope you're not disappointed. I hope you get one of these boxes.